Hi, I'm Tim, I'm an osteopath, and I've been practicing for over 20 years now. And it's been a great privilege, my work, in the very fact that I enjoy my work. And basically, my favourite part, and the reason I enjoy it so much, is I spend most of my day doing my very best to help people. And that's really how the concept of the Bad Back Company came about, because essentially I wanted to extend my reach of helping people and to do this online. And together with a dedicated team, we set out to find the very best product out there to help with quality of life and pain relief. So we sourced, tried and tested all the products that you'll see on our website, and with a view that these products should be good quality and they should be there to help with pain relief and improve your quality of life. So have a look through the website. I hope you can find the product you're looking for. Read our blogs, read the product details, watch our other videos. And if you've got any problems at all, or you can't find what you're looking for, or you've got any questions, contact us and one of the team will surely help you.